Hello, this video will show you how you can reassign the clocking in period to a contract, and to be notified if employees exceed a given clocking in period. Firstly, we need to set the period allowed for clocking on. This is set by going to the main system settings, and selecting the timesheet and scanner settings tab. Here you can set the maximum time that an employee can have for clocking on to either be posted to a contract if required, or an email notification being sent out. When you go to process the timesheets, you can instantly see the clocking on period against each daily timesheet. This list may also be filtered to show only those with a clocking on period greater than that set in the system settings. In this case, we can see that this is 12 timesheets out of the 25 to be processed. These may then be double-clicked on and amended accordingly prior to processing. If we revert back to the main listing and then look at a timesheet that is within the given period, we can see that 1 minute and 37 seconds is booked to clocking on. This may be transferred to the first item worked on, either by clicking the transfer button here, or by returning back to the main listing and then selecting it, and any other timesheets required and clicking the transfer button. If we now look at this amended timesheet, we can see that the 1 minute 37 seconds has now been added to the first item worked on, and this being workshop maintenance. You will also see that although the clocking on period is now set to 0, we have an audit that 1 minute 37 seconds was moved to the next contract or non-contract item worked on. The system will not transfer any clocking times that exceed the given period even if these are included in the selection to transfer. They will be ignored and the clocking on period will remain as recorded. So, looking at a timesheet pod, we can see that during the day, some users have failed to scan onto any other work since clocking on. Also, in this video we are going to demonstrate how the system will notify required users that employees have failed to scan out of the premises, and therefore time will still be being recorded against the contract they were working on until the day's automatic cut-off point. During the evening, just prior to midnight, as well as the system sending out an email notification of users that failed to clock out to required email addresses, the system will also send an email notification to the same email addresses of any employees that exceeded the given clocking on period. These may then be amended the following day as required. To add or amend a user that receives these emails is done through the employee's user settings and access function. Double-click on the required user and select the employees not clocked out and if pods go offline function. A listing of all users who receive email notifications can be seen by clicking the employees with auto email alerts, and they may also be amended from here. Thank you for taking the time to look at this short video, and hopefully it will have helped you with this area of Contract Controller. If you need more assistance with using Contract Controller or would like more information, please do get in touch.